Hello students, in this video I'll continue chapter number 6, that is combustion and flame. Today we'll discuss the different types of fuels. So children, you must have seen that the sources of producing heat energy for domestic and industrial purposes are mainly wood, charcoal, petrol, kerosene, etc. So these all substances which produces heat energy or which are the sources of producing the heat energy, these are known as fuels. So here we are having the three types of main fuels. First is solid fuel, second is liquid fuel, and third is gaseous fuel. So see the example of solid fuel here. Solid fuels, for example, wood, coal, charcoal, etc. In liquid fuels, we consider kerosene, petrol, diesel, etc. And for gaseous fuel, CNG, LPG, biogas, hydrogen, etc. So here are the different types of fuels that are solid, liquid, and gaseous. But now the question arises that what is the best fuel that must be used? What are the characteristics of the good fuel that we should use? So here are the few characteristics of a good or ideal fuel. So first, that fuel is very good, which is readily available. Easily that fuel must be available, so that will be considered as a good fuel. Ideal fuel should be cheap. Number 3 is easy to store and transport. Number 4, it should burn at a moderate rate. Number 5, it should produce a large amount of heat. Means less wastage should be there and a large amount of heat should be produced. Do not leave behind any undesirable substances. Means it should not leave the residue behind it. Like when we burn wood, that ash is left. So that type of fuel is not considered as an ideal fuel and does not cause pollution. That type of fuel is considered an ideal fuel which does not cause any pollution, means it does not produce the smoke. So if all these qualities are present in the fuel, so that is considered as an ideal or good fuel. So children, we are have next, we can discuss the calorific value of a fuel. What does this calorific value stands for? So it is the amount of heat energy produced on complete combustion of 1 kg of a fuel is known as a calorific value. And the units of calorific value is kilojoule per kg. Means how much amount of heat has been produced when we burn 1 kg of a fuel. That is known as a calorific value. So here we are having a table of calorific value of some fuels, and units already we had discussed, that is a kilojoule per kg. Children, different fuels are having the different calorific values. So you can go through this table and see that whose calorific value is very high. So the last one is at hydrogen. The calorific value of hydrogen is highest among all these fuels. So in this way, we can see that different substances has different calorific value, and we can use the different substances according to the requirement. What type of requirement we have, so we can use that type of fuel. Thank you.